listen. Buzzing in, feel the vibe. Welcome to the Wonderbees Hive.
Cooking with Mr. and Mrs. B.
Buzz, 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 we're live.
Welcome to the Hive.
Flying high, side to side. All my friends in the hive. Work and play, that's the vibe. Every day we come alive. Sweet like honey, feel the glow. Learn and laugh, watch us grow. From the ground up we rise. All together, the Hive. Buzzing in, feel the vibe. Welcome to the Wonderbees Hive. Hands up high.
Let's rise.
Side by side.
Side by side.
Buzz, buzz, we don't quit. Everybody's part of it. Big or small,
Stand tall.
there's a place here for all. When I say buzz, you say buzz.
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 Louder! Buzz! Buzz! Hey Wonderbees! It's your boy Mr. B, and today we're gonna cook. And guess what? We have a special guest joining us in the hive today. Can everybody say, hey Miss B?
Hi, Wonderbees! I'm so excited to cook with you today.
Today's letter is the letter B. B is for bowl, B is for bread, and B is for a banana. Before we cook, we've got to warm up our bodies. So, show me your mixing arm. Stir, stir, stir. Great job. Now, clap your hands like you're patting dough. Yeah, get that dough patted. And then I want you to stomp your feet like you're going into the kitchen.
Now,
Great job, Wonderbees.
now everybody say B.
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 B. This is the letter B.
B stands for butt, like a bowl. Can you trace the letter B with your finger?
Let's do it together. Big line down and curve and curve. One more time. Here we go. Big line down and curve and curve. That's it. That's a B. Great job, Wonderbees. Now that we know the letter B, it's time to count.
And today you were counting with some tiny little kitchen helpers.
Do you know who loves marching and finding snacks?
Ants.
Yes, that's right. The ants are marching to the kitchen and we're going to count with them. Everybody hold up your finger.
Now 2 fingers.
Now 3 fingers.
Good counting.
Great job. Wait a minute. I think I hear something.
Did y'all hear that?
It sounds like tiny feet are marching in.
Oh no, Mr. B! I think the ants are coming!
Well, if the ants are marching, we better march too. Everybody, stand up. We're gonna sing and march with the ants. Are you ready? March with me. Here we go. The ants go marching one by one. Hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching one by one. Hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching one by one. The little one stops to suck his thumb and they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, 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 boom.
The ants go marching 2 by 2, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 2 by 2, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 2 by 2. The little one stops to tie his shoe. They all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain.
Boom, 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 boom. The ants go marching 3 by 3, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 3 by 3, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 3 by 3. The little one stops to climb a tree and they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, 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 boom.
The ants go marching 4 by 4, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 4 by 4, hurrah, hurrah! The ants go marching 4 by 4. The little one stops to shut the door. They all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, 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 boom.
The ants go marching 5 by 5, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 5 by 5, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 5 by 5. The little one stops to take a dive, and they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, 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 boom.
The ants go marching 6 by 6, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 6 by 6, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 6 by 6. The little one stops to pick up the stick. They all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, 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 boom.
The ants go marching 7 by 7, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 7 by 7, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 7 by 7. The little one stops to pray to heaven. They all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, 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 boom.
The ants go marching 8 by 8, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 8 by 8, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 8 by 8. The little one stops to roller skate. They all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, 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 boom.
The ants go marching 9 by 9, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 9 by 9, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 9 by 1. The little one stops to check the time, and they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Hey, boom, 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 boom.
The ants go marching 10 by 10,
Hurrah, hurrah.
The ants go marching 10 by 10,
Hurrah, hurrah.
The ants go marching 10 by 10. The little one stops to shout. The end, they all go marching
Down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, 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 boom. Woo! Great job, Wonderbees. The ants were moving, and so were we.
Now, Wonderbees, it's time for a break. You know what that means. It's Hive time!
Mr. B, let's go!
Buzz, buzz, let's go. Move your body nice and slow. Clap, clap, now stop. Take it high, then drop. Buzz, buzz, feel the vibe. Everybody in the hive. Move, move, don't stop. Hive time, let it drop.
Flap your wings like a bee. 1, 2, 3, come with me. Jump up high like a rocket. Turn around. Now stop this.
Stomp your feet, real loud.
Show me power.
Stand out in the crowd.
Clap your hands,
Clap, clap, clap. Take one step.
then bounce right back.
Buzz, buzz, let's go. Move your body nice and slow. Clap, clap, now stomp. Take it high, then drop.
When I say buzz, you say buzz.
Buzz,
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 buzz, buzz.
spin like a planet, round and round. Don't fall down, stay on the ground. Reach up high, touch the sky. Now get low,
Real low,
go slow.
freeze.
Now buzz, buzz, let's go. Everybody steal the show.
Jump,
Jump, jump, don't stop.
on.
Take it high, now drop. Buzz, buzz, feel the vibe. We're the Wonderbees Hive. Move, move, let's go. Hive time.
Still the show. Wonder, wonder.
We buzz, we move, we grow.
Wonder.
Welcome back to the kitchen, Wonderbees. Now it's time to make our snack.
Today we are making Fruit Kabob ants.
Yes, our ants are going to be made with fruit. We have kebab sticks, strawberries, blueberries, and grapes.
Remember, grown-ups should always help with kebab sticks.
Yes, and ensure you wash your hands. So today, the strawberries are going to be the ant's head, the grapes will be the ant's body, and the blueberries are going to help us give that extra spice to make it look like an ant. But before we jump into making this snack, what letter does berry start with?
B!
Great! That's right. We have our strawberries and our blueberries.
And what letter does blueberry start with?
A B as well. Great job. So first thing you're gonna do is get your kebab stick with your parents' help, and we're gonna add the strawberry for the ant's head.
Now we're gonna add the grape as part of the body.
Great job, Wonderbees. Next, we're gonna add a blueberry.
Now let's do it all again. Let's add another grape.
Then a blueberry.
Look at that! We made a fruit kebab ant.
Nice. Our strawberry is the head, our grapes and blueberries are the bodies. Now, let's make another, but this time, let's count the different pieces of fruit. 1, strawberry head. Number 2,
grapes. Yummy.
Number 3 is going to be the blueberry for the body.
Awesome.
Number 4.
We got another grape. Number 5, blueberry.
Nice.
Number 6, a grape body.
Great job, Wonderbees. You did it.
Good job.
You followed directions and counted and made a snack.
And our fruit kebab ants are ready to march right into our tummies. Yes.
Today was amazing. Now, let's slow it down. Take a deep breath in and let it out.
Today we learned the letter B, and B is for
Bananas, berries, and that mixing bowl that I had.
we counted with ants, we marched with ants, and we cooked a yummy snack.
Great job, Wonderbees, and thank you so much for your help today. Remember that Wonderbees are always smart, they're strong, and always kind.
Say it louder.
Here we go. We are smart, we're strong, and we're kind. Wonderbees, great job today. We had so much fun with you. Remember, cooking is better when we all work together.
And don't forget to clean up the kitchen with your grown-up.
Yes, that's right. Oh, and we cannot wait for you to join us next time, where we're going under the sea. See you next time.
Buzzing in, feel the vibe. Welcome to the Wonderbees Hive.